GenAI for DevOps engineers, 30 days, real labs, real workflows. Launch price, $39, limited seats. This program is built to fix exactly that. Not theory, not buzzwords, not build chat. We focus on practical GenAI skills that directly map to real DevOps workflows. This is not a video-only course. You'll get guided, hands-on labs, real environments, time-bound, controlled access, exercises that mirror real DevOps plus GenAI usage. 30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, Crew AI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and Small Agents. Duration 30 days. Format: live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises.
Let's look at question 16. As an AI engineer, you are setting up Bedrock in your organization. You need to manage access to Bedrock resources, ensuring that only authorized users and applications can perform actions like model invocation and customization. Which Amazon Web Service will you use to manage and enforce permissions, and how does it integrate with Amazon Bedrock? And then we have 4 options. Option A, Key Management Service, KMS. Option B, Amazon Cognito. Option C, Identity and Access Management, IAM. Option D, Amazon Web Service Shield. To solve this question, the first step is to understand the purpose of each option and then eliminate one that clearly doesn't fit. Identify the need for access control. The task involves managing who can access and perform actions within Bedrock, which directly relates to permissions and access control. Discard options like KMS, Cognito, and Shield that serve different purposes: encryption, user management, and DDoS protection, respectively, and do not handle access control within Amazon Web Services. Match the service to the requirement. IAM is specifically designed for this purpose, making it the appropriate choice for managing access to Bedrock resources. Let's take a look at each option one by one. Option A, KMS, is used for encryption and key management, not for access control and permission management. Option B, Cognito, provides authentication, authorization, and user management for web and mobile apps, but is not specifically used for managing access to services like Bedrock. Option C, Identity and Access Management, IAM, is correct because IAM is the service that allows you to manage access to Amazon Web Services and resources securely. When using Amazon Bedrock, IAM policies can be used to control who can invoke specific models, perform actions like fine-tuning or deploying models, and manage other Bedrock resources. You can define permissions for users, groups, and roles, ensuring that only authorized entities can access or modify Bedrock-related resources. Option D, Shield, protects against DDoS attacks and is not related to managing permissions or access controls for Bedrock resources. By applying this reasoning, option C is the correct answer.